Was there a personal moment in your life that made you embrace this mindset?
Absolutely. Now, when you're asking me this question and I go back years behind, so I remember in the year of 1996 or 97, when I had again gone back to the United States. And everyone, my friends, my relatives, and everybody was like, oh my goodness, you're in a country of opportunities. Everybody is super successful in America. You're in a country where you're going to reach great heights. And I'm finding myself there struggling despite having the best resources, being in a country that people say is full of opportunities. I'm like, where is it? And then around me, I was looking at people in the workforce. And there were people struggling to get to the next level. They were working hard, having the degrees, having the skills, and still being stuck where they are. And that's the moment when I realized, and why are they stuck? That's the moment I realized, why are they stuck? I'm stuck because of my boss. I'm stuck because the environment is not good. I am stuck because the salary is not good. The work culture is not nice. The economy of America is failing. Every time people were blaming the outside circumstances, and I'm there sitting, how can your boss be responsible for your success or failure? And if that is the case, when you were hired in a company, did you, during the interview, ask who is going to be my boss? Where am I going to reach? Do you have the proper resources? Absolutely not.
Yeah.
That's the point we said, you know what? Hire me. I have everything in me to give out there. I can do the best. Just give me an opportunity and see what I can do. That's the confidence with which we enter. Then where does it fade away? Where has it gone? From where did your boss, your culture, everything become so important that you started to feel that, everything is out there.
Yep.
And that's what made me realize that we are on the wrong direction when it comes to achieving our career goals and achieving what we want in our career and business. So that was for me, in fact, that shaped my entire coaching. That got to be known as Success Within. That shaped my entire work. And I think everyone who is out there, we need to realize that whatever success we want is not out there. You have to work inwards to get it outwards.
Very well said.